Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Fit vs CR-V, which is better. Follow along as I break down size, performance, fuel economy, and ownership costs to help you choose. I will highlight who benefits most from each model and present trade-offs clearly. By the end, you will have practical takeaways for commuting, family needs, and budget priorities, so you can pick the right vehicle for your lifestyle with confidence. I will compare driving dynamics, engine options, and fuel figures so you know what to expect behind the wheel. Expect comments on ride comfort, steering feel, and how each model manages handling in traffic and on highways. I will also note transmission behavior and how weight affects acceleration. This helps you match driving style to vehicle strengths, whether you favor agility for city commutes or stability for longer road trips. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been using the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, and it keeps the car and home tidy with voice control and great mapping, which saves time after long drives. It's a handy pick for busy owners who want clean floors without effort. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain interior dimensions, seat comfort, and cargo versatility so you can assess real-world usability. We will cover how the Fit's clever packaging benefits grocery runs and urban life, while the CR-V's larger cabin helps with car seats and weekend gear. I will also discuss visibility, ease of entry, and optional features that affect daily convenience. These points aim to match passenger needs to vehicle choices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.